Hi guys, welcome to Patterns Decoder channel. Today we are going to discuss on the Frontier thing. Frontier which is going to be listed on WazirX exchange. Okay. About Frontier. Frontier is a chain agnostic DeFi aggregation layer. It is supporting for the DeFi on Ethereum, Binance Chain, BAN, Kava and Harmony. With the help of StaFi protocol, it is also entering into the Polkadot ecosystem. Everybody knows that what is Polkadot, and they are putting that vigorous efforts towards Serum also. With these applications, like users, we people, we can participate in the protocol tracking, management, stacking, and best rate asset swapping also with the liquidity provision CDP creation. What is the main core mission of Frontier? Frontier's core mission is to bring the essential pieces of DeFi to users across whichever platforms we prefer. First of all, we have to know why Frontier, why we have to choose the Frontier. There are three different things which I have feel that. The first thing is fragmentation. At present situation, at present scenario, there is no existing product on the market that tracks and manages the entire DeFi portfolio from anywhere. That means lending, borrowing, stacking, and asset swapping, which is also very painful experience which we are facing, and I faced also personally, are unable to enter into the DeFi market. So, and the second thing is dependency and isolation. Non-custodial wallets are great for holding crypto assets, but because of the strict guidelines, we are unable to unusable while participating in DeFi. Many wallets also fully attempt to create lock-in results, which intends downloading multiple wallets and creating many addresses. Freedom and join, that is a very crucial role. We have, we have to choose whatever we want to choose because we have several options, but we don't want to stick to one particular thing. The same way Frontier's already integrated with Trust Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, MetaMask, and IM token and Formatic, and more also they are planning. Our users, Frontier users, will unable to need to transfer assets into, no need to transfer to Frontier for to participate in the DeFi. As they integrated automatically, their integration there, we can participate in the DeFi trade. And what is Frontier Front token? Front token is a native chain token of Frontier that is for incentivize entry in DeFi, especially for the small purse layers who are unable to participate due to prohibitive cost. Like, it has a highest impact value captured details of Front token will be taking to secure our decentralized key management Frontier chain governance, where front native deflationary mechanism, that is a very crucial thing, and NFT acquisition and creation, and more are ready to come. More and utilities will be grown as Frontier grows. Like, currently they are having a few other essential utilities for Front token, that is discounted CFI ramping, centralized finance wrapping, and collateralized borrowing, social gamification, and unified API access and unlocks. What is the Front economic model? Like, it has a public distribution of 1,50,000 and total token supply of 10 million Front tokens, and initially there are only 11% of the total token supply is already circulating in the thing. What is 0.08 dollars, and public distribution allocation is 18,75,000, and we can see the token type is ERC20 and SPL. You can see the distribution model. I like the distribution model because personally everything is allocated, like for the team 10%, reserves 10%, marketing 6%, and the public 1.9, and private and seed is 10%. You can see, first of all we have to see whether it is backed by any industrial leaders or not. If we see it, there is a industrial leaders like Alameda Research, Foodstock, Mechanism Capital, and the Matic, and we know the CoinGecko also, the Spark, A2 Capital, and DRC, some other more. What are the strategic partnership? What, first of all we have to see, as I explained previously, we have to see what are the partnership they are already maintaining. If there is no partnership, how they can grow? So they have the partnership with Band Protocol, Kava, Uniland, Matic, and Harmony, also StaFi and others. What are the roadmap? What is the present thing they are doing? We know that. And what are the future things? Like, they want to release the 2021 quarter one Frontier chain testnet and quarter two mainnet and decentralized key management. That is a very crucial because we have a feeling that we may lost the keys and forgot. So that, but they are planning for the decentralized key management, which will be very useful for every users, and on like Frontier chain governance, which is very important for that. Let us see other features what in the website is showing that. Like, you can go to the frontierwallet.com and you can see that how the mobile app showing, you can download it from App Store, and Android for the Google Play also. Okay, let's see what are the protocols. I have explained that features you can track and smarter and uniquely and safely, or like you can stake and earn up to 13% also. what are the interest, like an interest, whatever we want to do, we can swap it to up to that. Okay, these are the things, and we can go to the exchange also, like frontier.xyz. You can see here like what are the supported chains, like what we discussed, and protocols, platforms, InstaDApp, DeFi app, stacking, the like Matic, Bandchain, Kava, and what are the upcomings. That is a very crucial thing. Solana, Erlanda, Polkadot, Kusma. These are Polkadot and Kusma I like very much, and the staff and the staking also you can see it. Like you can see you can easily track all the data of the things, and we can go through it. We can see like it is already about to listed in tomorrow on the 7th December on WazirX. WazirX is organizing grand front giveaway while hosting the activities. You can go through it, see the step by step, and front USD trading on WazirX. How to do it? So go to the WazirX wallet, and USD you can see here. Type at present is not trading. Tomorrow you can type in like front, click on the FORNT, USD pair will come. You can go through buy and sell. If at all you want to buy, go through it and click buy button. You can purchase the Frontier token, and the same way you can sell it also. See that you can see have a like it has a 22,000 followers, and like frontier.xyz. You can see all the updates from this Twitter account. Let us have the technical analysis of frontier token. This is very, I think all the people are waiting whether we have to invest right now, either we have to wait, or in the long term perspective, short term perspective. If you see here, it has been the coin market cap and frontier token. See on I think September 2020, September 15 it has been listed, and after that the entire crash has been done. I think this is the bottom for the frontier token, and you can see here from, if at all you have seen the line chart, it will be very usual. See the momentum here after it has been bottomed out, 1 2 3 4 like 5, the final thing. Okay, so there is accumulation is going on. If you see here the line chart, see 1 2 3 4, see the momentum is slowly increasing. I'm expecting a vigorous pump from here if at all it crossed this support level. Okay, let me have a glance once again with the Hekinashi. Okay, these are the like previously it acted as support, and now it presents the resistance zone. Once we cross this resistance zone, there will be a good opportunity, it will go for the next level. I have taken the Fibonacci extension also. See from here, like from the this top to this bottom, you can see here the 2.618. If at all we consider this as once, let me have a glance of it. See this is the bottom, and if at all we have considered this is 2, I am expecting the 3 will be here, like 2.618. At present it is still like, and again it will be tested here, and again it will go on up to the previous, or again it has been consolidation from here itself based upon the overall market. So let me check. Okay, at present it is trading at 0.422 like $0.36, and the resistance is at $0.42. Once we cross the daily candle close above this level, I am expecting that it will cross this 0.76. Maybe if at all you believe in the entire ecosystem and these things, we can jump in right now. There is like below this level, daily close, the body close below this line makes me bearish, but above this level I am bullish on this frontier token. This is my overall scenario for frontier token. I think you understand what to do, and what we can feel. Do your own research. I'm not a financial, and the videos in my channel is not a financial advice. I request you do diligence before investing any cryptocurrency, ICO and IBO. I don't take any responsibility for profit or loss. I will not be liable in any case. Invest only the amount which you afford to lose, and as a crypto market is high volatility. Follow my Twitter account Patrons Decoder, and join my Telegram channel Patrons Decoder. Thank you everyone.